Burj, B-U-R-J, Burj Khalifa, K-H-A-L-I-F-A, Khalifa. So Burj Khalifa is noun. Okay, Burj Khalifa is noun. Is verb. The is verb. Tallest is adjective. Building is noun. On is preposition. And earth is noun. Okay. So this is number 5. I'm reading out again for you. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building on earth. So classification of parts of speech will be like this. Burj Khalifa will be noun. Is verb. The is verb. Sorry. The is adjective. The is article, and article is always adjective. Burj Khalifa is noun. Is verb. The is adjective. Point to be noted. The is adjective. Tallest is adjective. Building is noun. On is preposition. Earth is noun. Okay, done. Whoever has done, please write down done. Number 5 हो चुका है और more 2 I am going to give you. Total 7 I have to give. Okay. Write down in your copy. Sagun has written done. Anupriya done. Swati done. Soni has done. You have not done. Number 5, Burj Khalifa. Akshat Raj also done. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building on earth. Al-Karani also done. Burj Khalifa noun is verb. Nishan Kumar also done. The adjective, tallest adjective. Then building noun. On preposition earth noun. Done, everyone done. Should I erase? Swati, I can erase. Okay. Now I am writing number 6. Now number 6 I am writing. Swati has got the first prize in the competition. So number 6 is Swati has got the first prize in the competition. Competition spelling is COMPETITION. Competition. Now different parts of speech will be Swati noun has verb got verb the adjective first, याद रहे first, second, third, fourth, all these are always numbers, always adjective. Adjective, price, noun. Price is noun. In preposition, the को repeat करने की जरूरत नहीं है. The already I have written here the adjective, so don't write the again. Competition. Competition is noun. So number 6, you can see Swati has got the first prize in the competition. Okay. And the parts of speech classification will be like this. Swati is noun, has verb, got verb, the adjective, first adjective, prize, noun, in preposition, competition, noun. Sanuta Bhadwa written done. Alkarani also done. Swati also done. Alka also done. Now I am going to write the last one, number 7. अब मैं last one लिखूंगा, number 7. Sagun also done. Anushka done. Khushi Kumari done. Anushka Raj also done. Khushi done. Anupriya also done. Okay, now I am erasing. Now I am giving the last one, number 7. Now number 7, I am giving the last one. Number 7. Oh no! Exclamation mark. OHONO no. Oh no! I have spilled. Spilled मतलब गिरा देना. I have spilled the milk. Number 7 is oh no! Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark है. I have spilled the milk. ये exclamation mark है. Exclamation mark. Okay. So here it will be oh no is interjection. 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 Oh no, interjection. I is pronoun. Have is verb. Spilled. Spilled मतलब गिरा देना, दूध ने गिरा दिया उसने. तो spill भी verb, VERB verb. The, you know, adjective. And milk, noun. So number 7, this is the last one. Oh no, I have spilled the milk. O no, interjection. I pronoun, have verb, spelled verb, the adjective, milk noun. Done. Sanuta Bhadwaj written done. Alka Rani done. लिख लिया सबने. Swati also done. Anupriya also done. So this is N. अब आप लोग क्या कीजिएगा जिसने पूरा कर लिया है, they will make the PDF, click the photo, make the PDF and send to my personal WhatsApp for checking. Okay? Class work. Total 7 मैंने लिखाया. कल 3 और आज 4. कल 3 और आज 4. Total 7 parts of speech मैंने लिखवाया. इस सातों पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच का आप लोग फोटो क्लिक करके पीडीएफ बनाइए. पीडीएफ बनाकर मेरे व्हाट्सएप में दीजिए. सेंड टू माय व्हाट्सएप फॉर चेकिंग. ओके. सो आई होप all have done.